friends, welcome to my channel Animated Study.
This little boy wants to delete the last node. He knows last node always contain null pointer, so he is looking for the null. So he is jumping to the node, next node, next node, and when he finds the null, he call one person to pull the node, that is the last node. Person pulled the node and node has been deleted. But what about the previous node pointer? Yes, you have to set this pointer null, and that is what the deletion in the linked list at the end or at the tail. So let's see the detailed algorithm step by step and line by line. So watch the video till the end. Here we have a linked list. And as we know, linked list is pointed by the head node. So if you want to find the last node, you have to start from the first node and you have to look for the null pointers. When you got the null pointers, you can delete that node because that is the last node. So all the times you have to jump onto the n node, where n is the number of node in the list. So if we see the time complexity of deletion in the linked list is nothing but big O n, because every time if you want to delete the last node, you have to traverse the linked list for the n nodes. This is what the functions for the deletions at the end or tail of the linked list. Now we are calling the delete end functions. Here we are defining two pointer. One is storing the previous node, that is known as pre-pointer, and second is for traversal, that is PTR pointer. Now we are checking the condition head is equal to null. Here you can see head is pointing 755, that is not null. So we will check the another conditions. Head link part is equal to null. Here head link part is 310, that is not null. So this condition also false. So go to the else part. In else part, first instruction is pointer is equal to head. So here we will set pointer to the head node, that is 755. Now we will run the loop. In the loop condition, we will check pointer link not equal to null. So here we have a pointer and this is the link, that is 310. So that is not null. So we are going inside the loop. Here we see previous node pointer is equal to PTR. So here we'll set the pointer to the PTR node. So here we'll set the pointer. So now you can see your head, PTR and previous pointer all are pointing the first node and its address is 755. Now you are executing this instructions, that is pointer is equal to pointer link. So here we have a pointer and pointer link is 310. Our pointer is shifted to 310. Now again we will check the while conditions, that is pointer link is not equal to null. Here pointer link is 205, that is not null. So we are coming inside the loop. Here we will see previous pointer is equal to pointer. So previous we have to shift to the pointer node. Now again we will doing this pointer is equal to pointer link part. So pointer link part is 205. So we have to shift the pointer to 205 address. So our pointer is get shifted to the node having address 205. Again we will check the while conditions. Pointer link part not equal to null. Here we will say pointer is here and its link part is null. So condition false. So next instructions is previous link is equal to null. So here we have a previous node pointer and this is the link. So we'll set null. Then we are printing the deleted data. So here you can say deleted data 50. That is printed in the output window. Now we will free the memory. So you can see here memory is get released. So this is what the deletions of the last node from the linked list. Now again we will calling the functions delete and. So we are trying to delete the last node, that is 25. So we are building two variable, previous and ptr. So you can see here this is ptr and this is previous pointer. Now we will check the conditions. Head is equal to null. Head is 755, so it is not null. So condition false. So we are checking this conditions, that is head link is equal to null. So this is the head and link is 310, so that is not null. So this conditions also false. So go into the else part and in that you set the pointers to the head node. So here we are setting pointers to the head node. Now we will check the while loop conditions, that is pointer link not equal to null. So here we can see pointer and its link. Link is 310, that is not null. So condition true. So we are going inside the loop. So we have to set previous pointer is equal to pointer. So pointer is here. So previous pointer is also set to the first node. Now you execute these instructions in which pointer is equal to pointer link. So here you have a pointers and pointer link is indicating 310. So our pointer is get shifted to 310 address. Now again we will check the while conditions where pointer link not equal to null. Here we have a pointer and pointer link is null. So condition false. So next instructions is previous link is equal to null. So you have to set the previous node link part null. So next instruction is printf. So you are printing deleted data, that is 25. Now you can free the memory of the last node, that is 25. Again you are calling delete and function. So you are creating two variable, previous pointer and ptr pointer. You are checking the conditions, head is equal to null. Head is pointing 755, so that is not null, so condition false. So you are going into the else if part in which you are checking head link part is equal to null. So here you can see head and its link part, that is null. So this condition true. So you are printing deleted data, that is 18, because you are going to delete the last node available in the list. So here you have deleted data 18 is get printed and then you put head is equal to null. So your all data has been deleted and now your head pointer is indicating the null. And now if again you are calling delete and function, you are defining two variable, previous pointer and pointer, and then you are checking conditions, head is equal to null. Now at this time head indicating the null, so condition is true. So you are going inside the conditions and you are printing list empty. So now no more node availables for deletions. So when you are calling these functions again and again, you are every time getting these conditions now onwards, that is list empty. So this is what about the deletions in the linked list at the end. I hope you understand it how it works. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share the video to your friends and Don't forget to press the bell icon for my new video notifications. Thank you for watching.